Did you know that with the right touch, you can take your partner's pleasure to a whole new level? Today, we're diving into how to skillfully use your hands to create deep satisfaction and keep her coming back for more. Stick around till the end because every part of this video is essential for anyone looking to enhance their intimate skills. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more insights into sexual health and relationships. Mastering touch isn't just about knowing where to put your hands, it's about creating an experience that leaves her craving more. Let's dive into the secrets of female satisfaction. Understanding female sensitivity, women have incredibly sensitive areas, and when you know how to stimulate them, it can dramatically improve their experience. The vulva is one of these areas, housing over 10,000 nerve endings. When touched properly, these nerves send signals to the brain which ignite arousal. By gently touching and caressing the vulva, you can increase her excitement gradually. Another highly sensitive area is the clitoris, the key to a woman's pleasure. It's a small, delicate part of her anatomy, but it responds intensely to gentle, well-placed touch. By focusing on teasing and playing with the clitoris, using soft, circular motions, you can help her achieve maximum satisfaction. The power of patience and touch. A common mistake men make is rushing into things, but women generally take more time to become fully aroused. This is where your hands come in. The slower and more thoughtfully you proceed, the more her body will open up to you. Rather than rushing into penetration, spend time exploring her body, caressing her breasts, kissing her neck, and letting your hands linger on her sensitive areas. Foreplay is much more important than many realize. It's not just about physical size or stamina, but how well you can engage her during these crucial moments. Women appreciate slow, sensual touch far more than fast, hurried actions. Movies often mislead us into thinking quicker is better, but real intimacy is about taking your time. Communication is key, while touch is crucial. Communication is just as essential. Every woman is different. Some prefer slow teasing, while others might enjoy more intense stimulation. That's why you need to ask for her consent, talk about her preferences, and ensure she feels safe and comfortable expressing what she enjoys. This open dialogue creates trust and leads to deeper satisfaction. Men who fail to communicate or rush through these important moments often leave their partners feeling emotionally distant from the experience, leading to an overall lack of interest. But by building that connection, you'll find that both you and your partner will enjoy sex much more. The art of using your hands. Once you've spent time warming her up, you can explore deeper levels of intimacy. Depending on her comfort, you can start with 1, 2, or even 3 fingers for penetration. The key here is to remain slow, gentle, and considerate, always listening to her body and responses. Remember, it's not just about penetration. Kissing, touching, and creating a safe space where she feels valued and respected are equally important. That's the secret to using your hands in a way that truly satisfies her physically, emotionally, and mentally. Wrap up to sum it up. Female satisfaction is all about patience, understanding, and skillful touch. By taking the time to learn her body, communicate effectively, and focus on her comfort, you can create deeply fulfilling sexual experiences. It's not just about rushing to intercourse, it's about building a connection. So if you're ready to take your relationship to the next level, keep these tips in mind and remember to always approach intimacy with care and patience. Subscribe to the channel for more educational content on enhancing your sex life, and let us know in the comments what you found most useful today. Mastering the art of touch takes time and practice, but once you do, the rewards are undeniable. Don't miss out. Subscribe for more tips on how to deepen your intimacy and create stronger, more satisfying connections.